Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for tuning in. I'm Kody with Up to Code.
And I'm Camille.
So we're shooting a drywall series, brand new. We want to just update all the information for our YouTube channel. And Camille has volunteered herself to basically be a guinea pig for this course. And you've never touched a drywall tool ever, have you?
No, never.
So it's going to be interesting.
Yes. It's going to be messy.
It's going to be messy. Yeah, so Camille's never done any mudding and taping. And the beauty part about that is just being able to show you guys what it's like to start yourself, what to expect, and hopefully my direction will help speed up your learning process. The videos that I already have on my channel, the reason I'm shooting this is because I want to basically do a better job of the lighting and the sound and get better close-up shots. So that's the whole goal of this, is just better quality, basically updated information and make your job at home quicker, faster, easier, and better product. For you folks at home, we're going to make a DVD available. Just check the comments for the link on how to order that. It's basically if you have poor internet connection or if you want just a physical copy of a DVD, that'll be available. We're going to have behind the scenes footage and some bloopers and just some more fun stuff like that. But the whole goal is just to make it more available. And yeah, if you want the souvenir type DVD, it'll be good. It'll be fun. Anyway, so right now this is a 10-part video series. Video 1 right now is just an outline. So just going to show you what we're going to teach you. We're going to teach you everything from once the place is boarded and then everything to get it fully coated, sanded out, ready for paint. So it's all your prep work tools, everything that you're going to need. So that's video 1 that we're on right now. Video 2, and I'll show Camille and all the folks at home. So we're going to do the terminology, order of taping, order of coating, all the materials you're going to need, tools, different types of mud, mixing mud, stuff like that. Video 3 is then we're going to start getting into the action where we do inspect all our drywall, all our work, and then we'll do a pre-fill. Video 4 is installing tapes. So we'll get our taping mud and we'll tape all the joints. Then video 5, we'll install all the beads. So the beads are all just the outside corners, make them nice and straight. Then video 6 is we're going to start coating. So we're going to do first coat on butt joints. That's video 6 all by itself. Video 7, we're going to do flats. And if you're watching, you're going to learn what all this terminology is in the next video. So we're going to coat flats and we're going to start our angles. Then video 8, we're going to do first coat on beads. And then video 9, we'll do more angles.
Okay.
Video 10 of 10, we're going to do a light sand. We're going to do second coat on everything. Let that dry. And then we'll do a final sand, light check, and we'll be ready for paint and primer.
Sounds good.
All right, so you ready to learn?
I'm ready to learn.
Okay. So with that, we're going to sign off. This is video 1 of 10. Stay tuned for video 2. And let's see if I can teach you anything, Camille.
Okay.
Alrighty, thanks.